Imagine working remotely from a lush Costa Rican jungle or a pristine Thai beach without leaving a carbon footprint. Welcome to Sustainable Digital Nomad Living. 5 eco-friendly tips for 2025. As a digital nomad, you can explore the world while keeping it green. In this video, I'll share 5 practical tips to reduce your environmental impact. Perfect for your next adventure. No face, just freedom and sustainability. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Choose eco-friendly destinations. Look for places with renewable energy and strong conservation efforts. Costa Rica runs on 98% renewable energy, while Portugal's Lisbon has expanded its bike lanes for green transport. Research online. Check sites like Nomads or eco-travel guides for green ratings. Pick spots like these to minimize your carbon footprint from day one. Tip 2. Go paperless with digital tools. Ditch the printer. Use apps like Google Drive or Notion to store docs and notes. Did you know going paperless can save up to 17 trees per year per person? Scan receipts with your phone, sign contracts digitally, and keep everything in the cloud. It's a simple switch that keeps forests thriving. Tip number 3. Opt for public transport or e-bikes. Skip taxis and rental cars. Take buses in Chiang Mai or rent an e-bike in Lisbon for just $10 a day. E-bikes cut CO2 emissions by up to 70% compared to cars. Download apps like CityMapper to plan your green routes. It's cheaper, healthier, and better for the planet. Tip number 4. Stay in sustainable accommodations. Use Airbnb's eco-friendly filter to find solar-powered stays or book with sites like Book Different. In Bali, you can find villas with rainwater harvesting systems. These choices support local economies and cut energy use. Look for certifications like Green Key or EarthCheck. Tip number 5. Support local, zero-waste businesses. Shop at markets in Chiang Mai or Ubud instead of chains. Buy reusable bags and skip plastic packaging. Local vendors often use sustainable practices, and your money stays in the community. Bring a reusable water bottle and refill at stations. Over 80% of nomads report loving this shift. There you have it. 5 eco-friendly tips to live sustainably as a digital nomad in 2025. From choosing green destinations to supporting local markets, you can travel the world while protecting it. Remote work already cuts commuting emissions by 54%. Let's make it even better. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more nomad secrets, and tell me, which tip are you trying first? Drop it in the comments, and let's build a greener nomad community together.